School English conversation. Amin, good morning, Ria. Ria, good morning, Amin. How are you? Amin, I am fine. What about you? Ria, I am good too. Amin, which school do you study in? Ria, I study in Sunrise Public School. Amin, which class are you in? Ria, I am in class 9. Amin, do you go to school every day? Yes, I go to school regularly. Amin, which subject do you like the most? Ria, I like English and science. Amin, who is your favorite teacher? Ria, my English teacher is very kind. Amin, do you have many friends in school? Ria, yes, I have many friends. Amin, what do you do during lunch break? Ria, I eat lunch and talk with my friends. Amin, do you play games in school? Ria, yes, I play badminton sometimes. Amin, do you enjoy school life? Ria's school life is very enjoyable.